Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss the food chain, and before we start, you gotta smash that like and subscribe button. Are you ready to learn? Let's learn! Before we start, let's get an idea of what a food chain is. A food chain is a sequence of organisms, each serving as a food for the next. In short, a food chain is a linear network of links in a food web starting from a producer organism and ending at an apex predator species, detritivores or decomposer species. A food chain also shows how organisms are related to each other by the food they eat. Each level of a food chain represents a different trophic level. Trophic levels by the Greek word trophos, meaning nourishment and food. The producers are the corn plants on whom chickens and monitor lizards depend for food. Although monitor lizards do not eat corn directly, they feed on the chickens which need corn grains. Without corn grains, the chicken will not survive and the monitor lizards will have no food. Therefore, monitor lizards also depend on the corn grains for food. Here is an example of a food chain. Corn, which the chicken eats. Then the monitor lizard eats the chicken. Then the cycle repeats for itself. Another example of this is flying lemur eating leaves, then the flying squirrel, then so on and so forth. The producers occupy the lowest trophic level in the ecosystem and are the base of all the food chains, which is the greens, the leaves, and the vegetables and the fruits. The rest of the organisms in the food chain are the consumers. Consumers which eats the greens, the vegetables, and the fruits. Same food chain described above, the chicken which eat corn are called the primary consumers. They feed directly on the producers. Other examples of primary consumers are grasshoppers, caterpillars, and cows. They are at the second trophic level of the food chain. The monitor lizard that eat the chicken, which in turn feed on the corn, are the secondary consumers. Snakes, some fishes, and some other organisms feeding on animals that eat plants are secondary consumers. They belong to the third trophic level. Thus, producers occupy the first trophic level, primary consumers the second trophic level, secondary consumers the third trophic level, and so on. So there are three levels, the first, second, and the third. There is also a hidden trophic level, and that is the decomposing level, which is the fourth. For example is grass. What eats grass? Cows. What eats cows? We eat cows. Then that's the third trophic level, us humans. For example, if us humans die or get diseased, we will get decomposed by a lot of bacteria, maggots, and so on. Then after we are decomposed, we turn into natural fertilizer that can help grow more plants, which when the plants grow, the cycle can repeat itself. So that's why it's called the food chain, because it's a continuous sequence interacting with each other, non-living things and living and non-living things. And that is the discussion for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.